Así ganó el Team Clemp el torneo X30K Custom Serie 99.
Let's go!
They got Pierre, they got Pierre.
20, 20.
Almost blooded one. One more on my ping, one shot. One shot right there on my ping. Down one. There's one more on the jump up. Austin's on jump up.
Coming up, I'm coming up.
There's 3 knock, bro. Different teams, different teams. Yeah, I can crawl down, Are you on top? Nice. Oh, you can res, I have a durable.
No, güey. Tenemos que jugar cerca aquí, pa.
Ok.
Vamos a plaquear, me ocupo con plaquear.
Dejé el trophy ese, güey, vivo, ¿ok? De alguien más. Estamos 3v3, güey. 3v3. Si los matamos, ganamos, güey. ¿Ok?
Okay. I'll crouch fucking front.
I'm gonna get an ammo box.
Slow down front.
Atrás de ti, Vxlcom, atrás de ti, aquí, close. Aquí me está haciendo headlich.
Tocado. Estoy bien, nada más.
Párate.
Estoy en el push.
Oh, I wanna get an angle from up top. Give me a crack one. Crack 2. That one, bloody.
Take your time, play your time. Me and Nader got a straight.
Estoy bien. Chill out.
Arriba.
Sí.
Estoy bien.
Atrás de mí. El Dongy, tú y tú.
Hopping up on the tractor,
Right under us, one right under us.
Plating. I got another.
Yeah, just watch the jump up,
Floating on me.
Down, otro.
1, 2, 1.
Just watch the jump up.
Floating on me. I'm dead, bro. Hey, 2v2.
Behind the thing.
Yeah, I'm putting up.
Chill.
Se fue el de arriba.
Grande, literal, me parece.
Tocado.
Te va a caer,
Le di.
Feels good. I can buy back. You have a gas here or no?
Le di.
Güey, son los dos. No hay nada que pasar, güey. Está poniendo eso. Tú y tú, Tienes nades, güey. Puedes comprar nades o algo. Ya, uno close aquí arribita de la tienda, güey.
Dead.
Take your time.
Nice, check another kill in.
One buy back, run back.
Nice. Te va a caer otra vez.
Bajó. Bajaron los dos.
I'm dead, güey. Tiene máscara.
The killer landed. He landed on the roof. He's gonna be on the bio.
Yeah, last one's on by.
I'm playing for the killer landed. He landed on the roof.
Got
He's
two.
gonna be on the bio.
Last one's on by.
No, he's not.
You should outlive him. Unless he has gassy. Where's he?
Down lane.
I don't know. Down that way.
Down this lane on me.
Right.
He's going to the back.
Johnny, he's got a gassy.
Take your time. One buy back, run back.
I'm playing for the killer landed. He landed on the roof. He's gonna be on the bio.
Yeah, last one's on by.
No, he's not.
You should outlive him. Unless he has gassy.
Down lane.
I don't know. Down that way.
Down this lane on me.
Right. He's going to the
Johnny,
back.
he's got a gassy. He's close to the bio. I think he's got a gassy. He went back in. Yeah, he does.
Se murieron los dos.
Se van a morir.
Murieron los dos. Tienes
Johnny, he's close to the bio. I think he's got a gassy.
Arriba de ti el otro.
Arriba de ti el último. Hasta medio arriba, Vxlcom. Tienes alf. Él no creo que tenga.
That's not good at all, bro.
He's inside.
On the right. Probably knocked.
Oh, he just selfed, bro.
Wait, why didn't you go, bro? We
Who, me? No, I went for the guy up top.
Sí, tiene, güey.
¡No mames!